Hi, my name is Sergey Stavastuk, and I have a PhD in AI. That's what can be said these days. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with the daily buy-sell signals and really two new features, which are really cool. Okay, first thing first, legal information you can find on our website on the title page, legal information. Then our plan for today is I'm going to show you whole watch list and how to use it, how to set up notifications. I will compare daily signals and intraday signals. Then I will show how to search ticker pages and compare 2 and 3. And at the very end, it would be a really cool presentation of two new features about trending stocks and trending robots, even though maybe I will touch base kind of in the middle, okay? So let's start. Today is February 12th, 2026, and let's look how market performed. So as you can see, it is SPY, which tracks S&P 500, and it is down 1.54% for today. Okay, that was a really brutal day. Tomorrow will be announcement about the inflation. And there was some really bad report about the housing. So that's the announcement. And now people kind of been anticipating the next day. Okay, let's look how we performed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to our page. So this is how you get here. You click home. Okay. And after you click home, you get your whole watch list. Okay. But you can also look at the trending stocks. I told you it's going to be at the end, but actually it's cool to look at the beginning. Okay. Why? Because let's look how our trending stocks perform. So it is a list which our AI forms. It is not a very long list. As you can see, it's about 20 stocks. And actually, we run right now President's Day sale. You're welcome to get really good pricing. In the meantime, let's look. So I'm showing you kind of a couple of things. First, how to view page with the ticker. Okay, you click here, light. And it is Lumentum as a company. As you can see, it was on our list, and I will show you. Okay, let me show you. It was placed on the list February 1st, 2026. Okay, it's already made 37%. Okay, who put it on the list? Our AI. Okay, so that means you have access to this list, trending stocks, and then you can copy this list to your home watch list. I will show you how to do that. Okay. So Light did well today, right? So Western Digital, click again, and then you get performance of today plus 3.78. Okay. So you can see this pop up. Pop up means you can get a trading bot with a WDC with the Western Digital. Okay. So let's look at another, and don't forget, there was a brutal day today, minus 1.5 for the market, as you can see right here on the top, Nasdaq minus 2%, Russell minus 2%, gold minus 3%, okay? So let's look at another one, STX, been placed actually very recently on February 9, today February 12, right? So it's already up 8%. And let's see what was the performance of today. Today was plus 5%. And again, these are the AI robots which are doing intraday trading. As you can see, this is the very valuable list. If you want to continue, okay? So that one was placed on the list on January 4th, made already 32% since January 4th, 2026. It's a Micron, and you can click here As you can see, it was not a kind of good performance, but it was a market, entire market was minus 1.5, this one plus 1, okay? And again, this is the pop-up. Okay, so I showed you the performance of our. You see, I'm just kind of going from top down, and as you can see, there's quite a few of them we could check, but we don't have time. And this is the page of trending stocks. Okay, so now how to copy that list or one by one, whatever you select, to your home watch list. Okay, so what you can do is you look at this bell, okay, and you click on the bell, and as you can see, there are two colors on the bell. Yellow, which means it's already in my home watch list. And I will show you how to copy that to the home watch list, okay? So I click here, it is a black, and as you can see, none of these boxes being selected. Again, none. Okay. So what you can do here is you can click, I want to get a signal, and you're going to get it in email, buy, sell. Okay. Then I want a signal on pure technical analysis. For instance, RSI, moving averages. You can also get earning reports, okay, dividend reports. And then that's going to be separate emails going to your mailbox. And a really cool feature where you can set up a price. As soon as the price crosses your number, you're going to get an email. Okay. So now you click save. Okay. And start. Now you see it is what? It is yellow. So we go here. And as you can see now, WC in my list. It was not in my list. And as you can see, it's here, proof, right here, February 12th, 2026, zero. Okay. So what it means, I just put to my diary, if you wish, or it is a list which you can use for your own kind of records where you can see how it performed. So everywhere where we have those lists, we have this date of a recording. Okay, so let's look at what was recorded. December 18, 2025. It was Kairos Gold, KGC. Okay, April 17, 2025, 128%, KLA 10 core. Okay, 110%, June 2025. it's Alcala. Okay. So, but this is my whole watch list. How I did it, I just copied from selection of AI, but I can tell you honestly, this trading stock list for your use been released only kind of January, December timeframe. So it's just kind of really cool new feature. Okay. So now let's go back to the, let's say, Western Digital. We click here and we get to the page. So today was plus 3.78%, which is really good performance on a down day. And then you can read everything what our AI thinks about as you can see, that was a general analysis. It was analysis of the earnings. It was description of our trading bots. Then it is here technical analysis, fundamental analysis, earnings analysis. You see, it's dividends and the analysis of the industry. So as you can see, you can have so much information, everything you can eat, which is really good. Okay. Uh, Now, you see new button, Analyze with Tickeron AI. Actually, this particular moment, it does not exist on the website, but it's coming up. So this is a really cool feature we're testing right now. You are not going to find it right now on the website, but you're going to find it really soon, and you're going to enjoy it. Why? Because you can get a really cool thing with this feature. It is in the testing. Okay. So I'm going to analyzing. So what it does, what's going to do for you, you're going to come and say, okay, why, for instance, Western Digital is moving up today. Okay. And then it goes outside of our system even, gets our data, analyzes with Tickeron AI, and then it presents you this cool analysis. Okay. So as you can see, you can read quite a lot of interesting information, including up-to-date information why it is moving up and down. Okay. So I showed you whole watch list. I showed you trending stocks. Okay. I showed you how to set up notifications. Let's see what else I promised you. Okay. How to set up notification daily versus intraday signals. That's kind of an important distinction. Okay. So here's the thing. As you can see, these are daily buy sell signals and they are generated daily. Okay. Please really look at that and understand that just if it is green, that means we're making money. And these are the signals: strong buy, strong buy, and things like that. Okay. So this is a very important page, and that's where you get signals, or you get signals in email. In email, if you set up, okay, which you already know. Now, this is the intraday signals, and then you can click here and see how our AI robots perform. Okay. At this moment, we have accumulated about 400 plus AI robots with the different features. And this is the annual performance where WDC, Western Digital, is included. Okay. Um, so what we did recently, because we have 400 of them, some people said, you guys kind of crazy, but we are not, because our financial learning models allow us to generate as many as we wish, as you wish, and we have a way of ordering them in quantities. But what we did, we collected them into this new feature, trending AI robots, okay, which is a really cool feature because we extract about 20, 25 best ones for the purposes of grouping them. For instance, these ones in this group outperform market. Okay. So this one are about communication. Okay. This one aerospace and defense stocks. This one are semiconductors. So what it means? It means industrials. Okay, so what it means? It means we're kind of giving you insights. What are the topics moving up? And that's being rated by our AI. We collect them in groups, okay, and then present them to you. Okay, let's take a example. This one, okay. Let's see how it outperforms. It's 127%. Okay. So as you can see, it is a kind of acts as if your brokerage account where you take these signals. So it gives you the price, number of shares, and it gives you the description. It allows you to follow and what it does. XAR, which is a S&P 500 Aerospace Defense Group, okay? And aerospace defense, it is ITA. It's another ETF, okay? Also for aerospace. And then SOXL, it is for the semiconductors, okay, which is a 3X. So you can read how we build it. What it means 15 minutes machine learning overview. It means that our system goes to the market and learns every 15 minutes, kind of recalibrates itself. That's what it means. Some of them do it within 1 hour, some of them 15 minutes, some of them 5 minutes. So that requires more and more calculational power to go and relearn the conditions of the market. Okay. And so let's look inside, show all stats. As you can see, yellow line, it is SPY, which we know it is S&P 500. And this green line, it is their closed trades. So as you can see, it outperforms market really well. Okay. And with what? With the specific numbers. And let's look how you can read this statistic. So maximum open position, it's a 17 for this robot. You can pick and choose. Then probability to win, it is 74%. Okay. Average trade duration, it's 1 day. Okay. Profit factor, which is a ratio between winning and losing. Okay. It's the 2.5, which is really tremendous. Profit to drawdown, it's a 4.5, which is a really, really good number, which takes the profit and draw down. Draw down is how much down it went. It's a really good number. Okay. And Sharp ratio 4.3, it considered 3 is considered to be really good. Okay. So you come here and then you can record them in your paper trades. And now let me show you how to follow several robots, okay? I really did not intend to go through these details that much, but as you can see, this is AI trading virtual agents. They manage particular amounts. Okay, so then these are my robots. They become your robots as soon as you either follow or you set up notifications, or it is in a trending robots already included. Okay. So then it is your robot, meaning my robots. I selected them. And then if you follow several robots, follow it means you kind of want to aggregate them into one list. So it means you follow this. So from that perspective, like a few months ago, you should have been kind of going into 3 pages. Now you go to one page right here, and these are all trades are aggregated. Okay. So let's see what else I promised to show you. Oh, okay. So how to search. Okay, let's do that because I kind of went off topic on this point, intraday signals. Okay. So now, how to search? There are several ways to search. This one right here, let's say you want to get is Apple AAPL Go. Okay. So again, soon you're going to see this analyzed with Tickeron AI. This page you already know. You see, Apple is not in on our list trending stocks, and it went down minus 5%, which is quite a lot actually. Then this is all the information which you can eat. And I like this actually page where we put some other companies which are correlated with Apple. Okay, this is another good example, correlation about 60%. So you can then search. I like financials to show you. Let's say JP Morgan, as you can see, I'm typing right here on the right corner. I can type right there. It is the same, but I will show you why it is convenient to do it here. Okay, so minus 2.6% for today. It is not on our list of trending stocks, but overall it is a strong buy. Okay. And as you can see, it is plus 1.6% from the point this signal strong buy was issued. Okay. So now, also this button is going to be for your use, but not yet. It's kind of funny. Now, you see 79% correlation of JP Morgan with the Citibank, okay? So you can analyze both of them, okay? So what it means, it's Bank of America and JP Morgan, 79% correlation. And then you click right here. And then you get information about Bank of America and JP Morgan, okay? And now comparison of the gains and losses. And the article about the comparison, okay, it was been written by our AI, okay. Now, I wanted to show you here. So either you type here Bank of America, JP Morgan, and let's say Citibank right here, and then you can go either direction. So if you click here, you're going to get to the same page, compare two. This is a compare three. Boom. Now, immediately you have a chart of comparing Bank of America, Citibank, and JP Morgan, and really cool analytical article about three companies. Okay, so you can analyze earnings, Citibank's earnings, Bank of America, JP Morgan, a lot of technical analysis for all three, a lot of fundamental analysis you see in the columns, earnings. There's quite a lot of information which you can compare and decide, as well as you can see if you subscribe to buy, hold, strong buy. Okay, so this is the information. So it took me 22 minutes to get to this point. So it means in the meantime, I already covered all the topics. Hopefully you enjoyed this presentation because I already covered trending stocks and trending robots. So if you don't have any questions, then this video is going to be on our website, on our channel on YouTube. So you're going to get it in the recording. That's about it. Thank you and goodbye.